In algebra, we often want to know where a curved line, or parabola, crosses the main horizontal line, called the x-axis. Today, we're focusing on a specific case, when it crosses at two different points, giving us two real solutions. The formula at x squared plus bx plus c equals 0 is known as a quadratic equation. When you draw a picture of this equation, you get a U-shaped curve called a parabola. The solutions we are looking for are simply the points where this curve hits the x-axis. To find exactly where the parabola crosses the axis, we don't have to guess. We use a special tool called the quadratic formula. It says that x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Let's zoom in on one part of that formula. The expression inside the square root, which is b squared minus 4ac, this part is so important that it has its own name, the discriminant. It's called that because it helps us discriminate, or figure out, what kind of answers we're going to get. We are interested in the case where the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, is greater than 0. In other words, when it's a positive number. When this happens, we can take its square root and get a real, positive number, which is the key to getting two solutions. The secret lies in the plus-minus symbol in the quadratic formula. Since the square root of our discriminant is a real number, we can do two different calculations. First, we add the square root, which gives us our first solution. Then, we subtract the square root, which gives us our second, completely different solution. Visually, this is what's happening. The parabola sweeps down and crosses the x-axis, goes to its lowest point, and then comes back up, crossing the x-axis a second time. Those two crossing points are our two real solutions. Let's work through an actual problem. Imagine the equation is x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. By looking at the equation, we can see that a is 1, b is 3, and c is negative 4. Now, let's plug our numbers into the discriminant formula. We get 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 4. This simplifies to 9 minus negative 16, which is the same as 9 plus 16, giving us 25. Since 25 is positive, we know for sure we'll get two real answers. Plugging it all into the quadratic formula, we find that our two solutions are x equals 1 and x equals negative 4. So, the most important thing to remember is this. If you calculate the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, and it turns out to be any positive number, you can be certain that the equation has two distinct, real solutions. This means the parabola will always cross the x-axis in two separate places.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.